Yo, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let's get this video started off with a little cold start, shall we? Alright y'all, what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be installing this bash bar. This is a Heli Arc Hustler bash bar. I'll link the guy's Instagram down in the description below. A subscriber actually sold me this bash bar, so huge shout out to him. I'll plug his Instagram right here. He hooked it up. But yeah, there it is. I already took the front bumper off of the 350Z. I feel like I've taken that thing off at least like 15 times already on my channel, I swear. So, you know, we just fast forwarding through that. But we're gonna have to remove this little big old jug right there, the reservoir for the windshield wipers. I don't use it anyways, so you know, I'm just wasting space. Should have taken it off a long time ago, but you know, we trying to keep it OEM. Just playing. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing before we even put on the bash bar. Take off that little reservoir. Shouldn't have any fitment issues at all. Give you guys a little walk around of the bar. Here's how the back plating looks. And yeah, I plan on either respraying this thing myself or getting it professionally powder coated. We'll see what's up. But as of right now, we're just gonna throw it on and remove that thing right there. Reppin' San Jose, you already know. Fixed gear people know about that. Alright y'all, just popped the hood of the 350Z. Please don't roast me. I ran out of heat wrap, so you know, that part of the intake is still silver. Oh yeah, and before y'all start commenting, I do realize my intakes are dirty. We'll be replacing those soon. But anyways, getting back to the windshield wiper fluid. Got that right there. We're gonna see what's up. I don't even know how to entirely do this, but you know, we're just gonna wing it. I got these right here. Probably take that off, and then you know, looks like there's a couple sensors that go into them. I'm gonna turn my steering wheel to the left, that way it's easier to access all the little clips in the back. Alright, I hope that gives us plenty of room to mess around. Well, there's that. Guess I don't need to empty it out or anything anymore. Big ass fail. Well, that's what happens when you're just pulling shit and you don't care. Alright, finally got this thing off. There are 3 plugs in total, which are right here. And there were 2 bolts right here on the side, and then 1 up top. For the top reservoir, you just loosen up this 1 bolt and it should come right off. In order to take this thing off, you got to loosen up the power steering reservoir, move it off to the side like that, and it should pop right out. 3 bolts like these, 10 millimeters. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tuck these and we should be ready to go. And there it is, the wiper fluid reservoir is all taken care of now. After tons of zip ties, all this area is looking super clean now. You guys could see the reservoir cap up here is gone as well. And yeah, super long overdue. Should have done that a long time ago, but there it is. Let's close up the hood real quick. Wow, so much cleaner. Should have been done that. Alright, next step, removing the bash bar. This is what we're here for. I only have 2 bolts right now attached on each side. You guys will have 4, but let's get that going. That's simple. See how that looks. Let's go ahead and screw these bolts in. Alright y'all, bash bar is fully mounted on there now. I just tightened up all the bolts. I'm gonna take these off because it kind of looks weird with the bash bar on there. I'm not really sure what it's for. I'm guessing it's for like bumper support or something, so I'll probably throw it back on once I put the bumper on, if it affects it. Let's see if the bumper fits over the bash bar. That side looks pretty good. Ooh, I don't know about this one. kind of a little tight fit, as you guys could see. You know, the sides aren't on yet, but this part is hitting, so I'm not sure if this bash bar is compatible with the V1. Kind of touching right there, but the top holes are almost fully lined up. Yeah, I'm not sure if this bash bar is gonna work with the Nismo V1, but the OEM bumper is a little longer than this one, so those of you guys running that one, if you guys want to throw a bumper back on, you guys should be good. But for the V1, it does look like a no-go. I'm gonna roll around without the bumper for now. Man, after doing that install, I just had to get out of the house. Went for a quick little short cruise. Also wanted to show you guys the car one last time before I end off today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the bash bar. I absolutely love it. Kind of curious to see which bumpers of mine it will clear. As of right now, the Nismo V1, it kind of hits the bottom of it. So we're just gonna kind of have to experiment with it and see what it fits and what it doesn't. But for the overall quality, I gotta say this thing is perfect. The holes line up directly and you ain't gotta do no shaving, no drilling, nothing. Quick little view of the bash bar from the front. Coming around to the side. Show you guys how far it sticks out. Here's another quick angle from the side and coming around to the front. That thing looks so sick. Can't get over this car. It's just such a beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Honestly, you guys are killing it with all the love. We're at 1.7K subscribers, which is just mind-blowing. You guys are killing it, man, on some real shit. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to leave a comment down below about how you guys feel about the bash bar and what color I should paint it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.